Yo, so shit. Let me see. I want to go over this breakdown on Bitcoin and how I was able to pretty much catch this move right here. But start from the 4 hour because I originally synced the move on the 4 hour. So basically, basically, as you see, Bitcoin been Bitcoin been selling off, pulling back, selling off. So you take it to an even higher time frame, like a daily. So overall, it was in an uptrend. It was making higher highs, higher lows. Then, for some reason, once price shot up, pulled back, it came back to finish its move. It rejected. So, just went to lower time frame to see what was going on. As you see, price pretty much moving sideways in this area, not really making new or higher highs or nothing like that. So, pretty much just capitalize off that. Drop to the 1 hour, pull this up some. So, bam, this area, for instance. And the 1 hour is a strong time frame, by the way. Bam. So once price broke, came down, went back up, and it came down and it retested that area right here. So once price retested right there, as you see, price originally broke this level, and this was actually a trade that I had took, but what was it at? Yeah, I took this trade, but I ended up getting in drawdown. I ended up using my lot. My risk management wasn't on point, but I ended up getting back in. So as you see, price just dumped. And then it created some type of support and resistance right here. So you got support, and then you got the roof right here. And then from that area, as you see, price started making lower highs. Let me put this on. Where is it at? Right here. Alright. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So So basically, at that point, I didn't trade in this area. I didn't trade in this area due to my loss up here. So I'm like, fuck it. Let me just see what price gonna do. And price could actually dump. So I actually would have been up like a shit ton if I would have caught this whole move. But the good thing about the market is it do this all the time. So long story short, price broke. And once price broke, it retested. And I synced this yesterday on the 1 hour. I'm like, shit. Bam. This level right here, which was support, is now making resistance. So I'm like, shit. Um, Price came up. As soon as I seen this, I literally got in right here. Now, if you go in the lower time frame, you can see more in details what's going on. As you see, we got a double top. What a coincidence. We had a push up, push down, push up, and then that push. Bam, bam, bam. Now I'm expecting price to come and retest these lows right here. That's what my TP is. My TP is. Oh shit. What am I doing? Yeah, so simple breakdown, bro. So my TP is as of right now. So we almost there. And this is Saturday, April 24th, 2021. It's that simple. Literally that simple. We can go over it. Just go. Just go. Give you one more breakdown. This is 4 hour. I've been catching buys on gold this past week, but we can go back to where price currently is and what's going on. Erase all this shit. All right, so what do we have? Well, looking at current price action, I caught this buy right here. I got in this area, which if I break it down in lower time frames, you could. What's that? Okay, cool. So I got in this area right here, and I got the reason I got in up in here is because simply I seen this higher low, this higher high, and then this higher low being created, and then shit, I just took my take profit to previous highs. So we go back, scroll back a little bit to the 30-minute. As you see, price had some form of resistance up here. Oh shit, excuse me. And then price kind of had some form of support within this area. So all I really did was I synced this low being created, and then I turned around and seen this higher low being created. So I'm like, shit. Yeah. And the way that I trade, I execute real quick. So once I seen price come up and then come back and retest this area, I'm like, okay, this got to be a strong hold. And due to the fact that price been having a lot of buying pressure, I'm only looking for buys at this point. So I got in roughly around here, rode it to the top. I got out, and I didn't even catch the whole move. My take profit 2 was here. I got out at my take profit 1, which was right here. I got out early due to a loss that I took on gold in this area. I was looking for a sale right here and around here, and then for some reason price spiked up and I was in crazy drawdown. I got out, then price sold off. So like shit, I'm only risking less now. I'm gonna focus on my risk management. So basically, what happened was, and this would be a good trade for the beginning of the week, I guess you want to say, because price broke these levels and came back to retest these lows right here, creating resistance. So now I ask myself, what could I expect price to go? I definitely would expect price to go right here, and the trade will look something like this. I'll wait for price to get in this area to see what it do. If it rejects, I instantly get in. My stop loss would be tight. I keep my stop loss around this area and take my profits down to here. But hey, let's say we don't market. You just gotta go with the market. So that's how this trade will look. But back to Bitcoin. Let's see how we looking. Yeah, prices. It's gonna reach down here. No doubt in my mind. So that's just that, man.